Hey guys, welcome back into this new video tutorial with the OSP Pro. And now guys, today we are going to be learning Python, and we are going to be measuring on a graphical user interface, whereby we shall be using what known as TKINTER. Now TKINTER it is Python platform for using graphical user interface. So I know maybe you'll be asking me some few questions, what's TKINTER and all about it. So the purpose of this TKINTER mainly is for developing up the graphical user interface, in spite of the other fact that there are some people who have been using the command prompt for making up the program. So TKINTER is the Python interface for graphical user interface tools. The other format of apart from TKINTER, the other kind of graphical user interface apart from that, there's Python, there's WXPython, and the rest. So TKINTER is simply, just like I've said, that's the main aim of it. And nowadays, even in other programming language, you can use it still, like in C, in Perl, in R, in Ruby, and TCL, we use TKINTER. Now, make sure you want to be in the platform for making up your program with the TKINTER, the first thing I have to let you know, make sure you have Python installed in your machine. Now TKINTER comes during the time of installation of your Python. So I already have my Python installed. I'm going to be using Python 2.7 is what I'm going to be using up. So I'll just open up my Python here, and then I show you how to do it. So if you cross check, if you want to check whether TKINTER is installed in a machine, just type on us import TKINTER. Now whenever you're using Python 2.7 or Python 2, don't say TKINTER with a small letter. This TKINTER is for Python 3, whereby it's in a small letter, but with the Python 2 it is in the capital letter, like that. So when you hit enter and you don't get an error, that implies you have TKINTER in your machine. Now I'm not going to use this platform. I'm going to use this one here called go to files, new files. That one is one you're going to be using for creating up a simple TKINTER application of Python, simple introduction to Python today with TKINTER. Now the first thing that I'm just going to show you maybe in this first video of ours is just how can you start playing around with it. Now the first thing that I will start with is like how to import a simple stuff. Now simply here, like I've said to you, to import TKINTER, you just say import TKINTER like that. Now there to import all of the dependencies that we need so that we can actually create up the graphical user interface. And we also have other stuff that you can say import TKINTER, like I've said. We can also take another argument that enables us to create up a window. To create up a window, just see here comment now creating to create up a window, we shall need something known as TKINTER that. So to do that in simple term, you can declare some argument. I'm just going to call it top, but then I will say it is going to be equal to what argument which enables us to create up a window, which is that. So make sure this is a capital T and then this is small k. So that's it. Now down here, to create up the window, if you want that window to pop up for you, then you have to come and say that top dot maybe main loop, because we need it to be looping up so that we can be in position to create up a window. Let me just click here to save it as my desktop in my Python tutorial. I'm just going to call it maybe TKINTER Python example. So I'm just going to save it example 1. So if you try to click compile here and run with this one here, run mode, you discover that your name TKINTER is not defined. Let me just try to cross check that why is not defined. If you try to cross check, you say import TKINTER, and when you say top dot that, although this I happen to remember, this is which enables us to create up a window, and to run the parent and its children, we have to use one as top.main loop. So if it is saying that this top is equal to this and it's not defined, I will simply say maybe import. Okay, I didn't import this one from this side, that's why it's not defined, but I can just simply first of all try to comment it and try to see what will happen to us. So no name called top. Let me just try to handle that very fast. To do that, let me just try to change the statement here. Let me say from TKINTER import what known as import TK, like that. So then this will enable us now to use that parenthesis of us in the program. So if I happen to come back here and I compile this, I think now you can see that you have created or happen to create what known as a window application or a simple window in Python. Just repeat again, do this, click here. I think you can see the window is being created up. So just try to drag this around here. I think you can see the window which you happen to create. So that's it, how you can always create up your window application with the TKINTER. Now this is just our first video to make up Python with the TKINTER. So guys, if you're interested in my programming videos, please make sure you subscribe back down to my channels. So this is just a piece of code which enables us to create up a window. So to create up a window, which I'll need to import this, then with this is to loop how to run the children. So if you click up here and try to run, you should be in a position to make up what known as a smaller window or a simple window application for your machine. So guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Love you all.